Hi, I'm Cindy,
And I'm Pat.
and we make Amaro Cinpatrazzo.
Amaro Cinpatrazzo is a product of a 40 plus year passion for Amaro. I studied in Italy 40 plus years ago and became fascinated with the various flavors of Amaro from all over the country. Cindy and I decided to create our own Amaro about 7 or 8 years ago, and it was important for us to be respectful of a very old style Amaro, something that would be very mouth-filling. So we created Amaro Cinpatrazzo using 19 different botanicals. We use arugula, sage, and mint that are hydroponically grown for us. And there are 19 other botanicals which are sort of commonly found in Italy. We also use honey to sweeten the product. There's no processed sugar, and there are no colorings added. The color you see in the bottle is the color that it comes out of our tanks.
We've been told that our product is very respective of a southern style Amari, and for those of you familiar with Amari throughout Italy, they vary by what's grown locally. Southern Amari are more vegetal and more herbal in nature.
The Amaro has a very balanced profile. It'll fill your mouth with flavors from the tip of your tongue to the back of your throat and give you this soft, bitter finish at the end.
We are thrilled to have won a medal at the London Spirits Competition, and we are thrilled with the opportunities it's given to us to expand our recognition and reach into new markets and opportunities, particularly today being able to talk to you about our Amari.
Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoy Amaro Cinpatrazzo, and feel free to contact us through our website if you have any questions or comments.